Welcome back. Let's put up again what the Prime Minister's message has been, because it is now barely less than 2 hours left before we actually get you the voting process that would be underway in the Lok Sabha. And the Prime Minister has made a strong push for Nari Shakti, urging all political parties to rise above their differences. And the Prime Minister has called for a unanimous support to ensure that the bill's passage is done in the Parliament, because this has been said on part of the Prime Minister himself, where he says that this is time to end our political divide over women's reservation and also to deliver on the long pending promises as well. Let's in the meantime take a look what the Prime Minister has said, that संसद में इस समय नारी शक्ति वंदन अधिनियम संशोधन पर चर्चा चल रही है और कल रात भी 1 बजे तक चर्चा चली और जो भ्रम फैलाए जा रहे हैं उन्हें दूर करने के लिए तर्कबद्ध जवाब दिया जा रहा है और हर आशंका का जो समाधान है वो दिया गया और जिन जानकारियों का अभाव था वो जानकारियां भी सदस्य को दी जा रही हैं और किसी के भी मन में जो विरोध था कोई भी विषय पर था उसका भी समाधान हुआ है और महिला आरक्षण के इस विषय पर देश के 4 दशक तक बहुत राजनीति कर ली गई है और अब समय आ गया है कि देश की आधी आबादी को उसका अधिकार अवश्य मिले और आजादी के इतने दशकों बाद भी भारत की महिलाओं का निर्णय प्रक्रिया में इतना कम प्रतिनिधि ये ठीक नहीं है और अब कुछ ही देर में लोकसभा में मतदान होने वाला और मैं सभी राजनीतिक दलों से आग्रह करता हूं, अपील करता हूं कि कृपया करके सोच विचार करके पूरा संवेदनशीलता से निर्णय ले, महिला आरक्षण के पक्ष में अपना मतदान करें. So he is making that appeal once again, stressing that women must be given the rightful place in governance, flagging their low representation, especially when it comes to decision making in parliament and in legislative bodies. And with this pointed message that the Prime Minister seems to be giving to the lawmakers, the Prime Minister saying that the nation's women are watching closely as the Parliament prepares to take this historic call. So around 4 p.m. is the time when the voting is expected to happen, and the countdown on your screen says we are looking down to almost 1 hour 40 minutes from now when the voting will happen. And this is the kind of consensus call that the Prime Minister seems to be taking, especially when it comes to the opposition parties to come on the same board as far as the clearance now is concerned. And even if they want to take credit for that, well, he is saying that he is ready to hand over a blank check. But this is something that the nation is watching, the nation's women are watching. And however, he has addressed the Parliament and also to the opposition leaders, where he says that there is no need to give this bill a political color. However, he's added that this would be a new chapter that would be added to Viksit Bharat. So a historic moment is something. As far as the Nari Shakti Vandan Adhiniyam is also concerned, on part of the opposition, what we are now looking at, they have been questioning the government's intent, but the 3 key bills, the Constitution 131st Amendment Bill 2026, the Delimitation Bill 2026, the Union Territories Law Amendment Bill 2026, they were introduced in the special session of Parliament. And what is now being said as far as when it comes to the introduction, right from there till now, that the discussions in the debate has been happening on this special sitting of Parliament, which is now we are looking at as far as all of them are being widely discussed. And this session that is expected to run till tomorrow, this has now been said where the government is now seeking the opposition support when it comes to passing of the amendment bill, which actually aims to implement the women's reservation in Lok Sabha from 2029 general elections based on the 2011 census. Well, that appeal once again, Mohit, is coming in from Prime Minister Narendra Modi, urging opposition parties to back the amendment.
Well, yes, Amita, shortly from now, the historic voting in Lok Sabha will take place on Women Reservation Bill and the amendments. Now, we know for a fact that our Prime Minister, Amita, yesterday clearly stated that forget about politics, forget about me taking credit. Now, I will give you credit if you let this bill be passed. And he also stated that this is not about politics. This is about the rights of women that needs to be given to them. It's about Nari Shakti Vandan. And now again that appeal has come in from the Prime Minister, and in fact he has urged the fellow parliamentarians to come out and be part of the history. Now he basically says that yesterday the discussions took place till 1 a.m. The government has addressed all the apprehensions. Remember, Prime Minister spoke on each and every part, and he also gave a guarantee that no state will be losing on their share of Lok Sabha seats. There will be an equal proportion. There will be a delimitation commission that will decide about the seats, and that is my guarantee. Now, he also goes on to say that for nearly 4 decades, the issue of women reservation in legislature have been delayed, and today is the time that when history could be made.
Well, top leaders of the government, top leaders of the opposition that have been making their point of view clear as far as the opposition's reservation and their objection is also concerned. But the Prime Minister says that all of the doubts, all of their questions have been now answered, and that too in a logical manner. Let's take a look briefly at the exchanges that happened in Parliament yesterday.
परिसीमन आयोग में सरकार द्वारा चुने गए 3 जने इस पूरे देश के प्रदेशों का वजूद देश के लोकतंत्र में उनकी भागीदारी और उनका महत्व तय करेंगे। लोकतंत्र को खत्म करने की शुरुआत तो इस सरकार ने चुनाव आयोग, न्यायपालिका, मीडिया और अन्य संस्थाओं पर अपना पूरा दबाव डालकर शुरू कर ही लिया था, मगर अब लोकतंत्र पर खुला वार होने जा रहा है।
तो मैं माननीय सदस्य प्रियंका जी को कहना चाहता हूं, हमने डीलिमिटेशन कमीशन एक्ट के अंदर कोई बदलाव नहीं किया है। फुल स्टॉप कोमा में आपका डीलिमिटेशन कमीशन एक्ट को हमने रिपीट किया है।
अगर ये विधेयक पारित होता है तो समझ लीजिए कि इस देश में लोकतंत्र खत्म हो जाएगा।
एक सबसे बड़ा नैरेटिव खड़ा किया जा रहा है, भ्रांति फैलाई जा रही है कि ये जो 3 विधेयक है, संविधान संशोधन विधेयक और 2 कानून, डिलिमिटेशन का और संघ क्षेत्र के चुनाव के कानून में बदलाव, वो आने से दक्षिण की क्षमता लोकसभा में बहुत कम हो जाएगी।
So we're going to head into a very short break. You're watching Times Now.